Welcome to 9 on Hudson. My name is Honey Huang from Hovnanian. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the most affordable 2-bedroom home in our building. Let's start the tour. Right now I'm standing in front of our 1001 model, one of our most anticipated unit in the building. Let's go inside and take a look what it offers, okay? So 1001 is a 1504 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is located on the northeast corner of our building with the wraparound window, which brings in lots of lights. And because we are in an open concept layout, we have a separate dining and the living room here. We have floor-to-ceiling windows, which provides view to the Hudson River, which is Upper Manhattan, and to the east of us, we have Midtown and Hudson River view. So our kitchen comes with extra wide countertops, which is quartz with waterfall finishes. And in behind, we have our Bosch appliances with Chef Caliber stove. So all of our cabinets are made by Pedini, Italian custom-built company. Special section for the utensil organizer. Our thermal refrigerator, which is built in, has a very unique feature. You just tap and it self-opens and you open. So now we're in the master bedroom. And our 6-foot window brings lots of light into the master bedroom, which brings out the space. And the closet here, it's an awesome size walk-in closet, which offers extra space. In our master bathroom, we offer double vanity, light fixture from Restoration Hardware. And our frameless shower comes with rain shower and the fixture from Moen. Like our master bathroom, our second bathroom comes with the Pedini cabinetry, and instead of shower, we offer the tubs here, so you could wash your kids or soak yourself, and of course comes with the rain shower and Moen fixtures. All of our home comes with the Bosch washer dryer. Our 9-foot ceiling, spacious 2-bedroom offers very unique feature. It has a wraparound window, which gives you lots of light and the view of the Hudson River and uptown New York. So 1001 has a great outdoor space, which is about 70 square feet. And from outside, you have a view of a Hudson River and GW Bridge.